Hi, today we're gonna talk about the survey How satisfied do you feel with the school doctor service? As you can see on this first graph, the largest amount of people feel unsatisfied, and the one that follows later is satisfied. So what I did was add the answer of very satisfied with satisfied and unsatisfied with very unsatisfied. You can see the answer on the right side at the top in the graph, and it reminds that the most of the students feel unsatisfied with the doctor's service. I asked 25 students out of 80 of 8th grade, and from the 25 people I asked, only 15 answered me. I used random sample in this question because I put all of the emails of the students of 8th grade and 25 emails were randomly selected from the computer, and I send those emails and wait for the responses. And that's how I get the answer of how satisfied do you feel with the school doctor service, and all that is unsatisfied. Thank you very much.